living life like a high life. Everything is just top notch. I can make it to the finish line, completely effortless. I can see you on the seaside, straight back like a bright one. Let me know what you're thinking of when your eyes are...
Hi, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make 2 popular sides using 2 of your kitchen gadgets, appliances, whatever you want to. I call them kitchen appliances. Y'all can say gadgets if you want to. I've got a lot of, I guess, kitchen gadgets, but like I said, I say kitchen appliances. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to use my air fryer to fix some baked potatoes. I've never done this. I usually do mine in my Instant Pot or my Ninja Foodi. Your Ninja Foodi is pretty much like your Instant Pot, but the Ninja Foodi has a air fryer on it. Your Instant Pot doesn't. So, but I usually use my Ninja Foodi. But I'm going to do these baked potatoes in my air fryer, and there was a place on the end, and I cut it off, and then I took the end of a sharp knife and just poked holes in it. I'm using coarse ground black pepper and kosher salt on these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of, this is just pure olive oil. This isn't extra virgin olive oil. It's just, all right, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to rub the oil all on it, on the baked potato, and I'm going to get some kosher salt out, and I'm just going to sprinkle some kosher salt all over it. And make sure that it's all over the potato. All right, and then I'm going to put some pepper on it. Probably got too much, but I got it all over my fingers now. But I'll just do the next one. All right. And then I'm going to put this one, I'm fixing one more. I'm going to put this one in the air fryer, and then I'm going to come back and do the other one, and I will bring y'all right back when I get the other one done, and we'll put it in there, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I have both of the potatoes in here. They're both oiled, and they have salt and pepper on them. I'm going to close this. And I know that this has got to take 5 minutes to heat up or whatever, but I'm still going on and put them in here. This is the Power XL air fryer. I think it's 7.2 quarts or whatever in here. I'm really not sure, but I'm going to go on, and I'm going to take the temp up to, wait a minute, wrong one. Take the temp up to 400. I'm going to take the time up to 25 minutes because it's got to warm up. And there it goes. That's how easy this is. Now these are supposed to be like steakhouse baked potatoes. I've never fixed them before, but we're going to try it. We're going to cut them. We're going to see what they're like. And I'm fixing a loaded, I guess what you'd call a loaded baked potato. I just say a baked potato with everything on it. It's going to have butter and broccoli. I'm not fixing chili beans to put on it, but I am going to fix the baked potatoes in here, and I'm going to, let me turn you around here. I'm just doing this with y'all. All right. I'm doing my broccoli. Let me get you up over here. All right, I'm doing my broccoli in the Ninja Foodi. Your Ninja Foodi, you can use your Instant Pot, and it do the same thing. Like I said, the only difference in the Ninja Foodi and the Instant Pot is the Ninja Foodi has the air fryer, which is this. You can air fry in this, you can dehydrate in this, you can air crisp, you can pressure in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steam some broccoli. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I've got to take this lid off, and I've got this is a basket that I put in here because I'm going to steam this broccoli. I'm going to put in 1 cup of water, and then I've got to cut up this broccoli. So I'm going to go on and cut this broccoli up, and I will bring you right back. Okay, so here's this is a little broccoli head. Let me get this out. I didn't see it. This is a little broccoli head that I have cut up into florets. And these are little florets because remember, I'm fixing 2 baked potatoes, 1 for me for lunch today and 1 tonight for dinner. On the weekends or whatever, I tend to just not cook very much. Sometimes I do if the girls are going to come over or anybody's going to come over, but this weekend they're not. So I just got off the phone with my daughter Kayla, and they're not coming over today. All right, so I've got all the broccoli florets in there, and now I'm going to pay attention to this because this is different from when you're pressure cooking. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to lock it, and then back here, remember you always say put it on sealing, not venting. Well, this time you're going to put it on venting, not sealing. So we are steaming this broccoli, and so I'm going to, I hope it doesn't, but this may kick my breaker. Let's hope it doesn't. So I'm turning this on. I'm going to go steam, and 10 minutes is what it defaults to, and I'm going to push the button, the on button, whatever, and it's going to be steaming now for 10 minutes, and then when it finishes, I'll just take the lid off. Oh, do you hear the air fryer slowing down? Oh my gosh, I hope it doesn't kick my breaker. It's so hard to get it back on. All right, so you can see we're doing 2 vegetables, the baked potatoes in the air fryer and the steamed broccoli in the Ninja Foodi or your Instant Pot. So pretty much everyone nowadays has got an air fryer, and pretty much everyone now has a Instant Pot or a pressure cooker. Same thing. This is just, most of them all have steam on them, so we're just steaming this and not pressure cooking it because we've got the vent open, we've got it on steam. It's not going to hold the steam in there, it's just going to steam the broccoli. So I will bring you back. Okay, y'all. All right, it's been 25 minutes and I just checked the potatoes, and they're still not done in the air fryer, so I'm putting them in for 10 more minutes, which will be 35. And most of the time when you cook potatoes in the oven on 450, they usually take an hour at this size, so hopefully these are going to be done after another 10 minutes. The broccoli's already done, it's steamed, and I've got everything out here to make my baked potato. It's already really crispy. They're going to be amazing. So I will bring you back in the end of this if they're done. If not, I'll just have to cook them for 5 more minutes or 10 more minutes until they are done, and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, the potato is done. I wish you could hear it. Watch when you should be able to hear it when I cut it. This skin is so crispy. I love the skin of potatoes. Oh, listen to it. should be able to see it there. All right, now I always cut mine in half, and then I cut it in half again. And then y'all are just gonna have to look over this because I put a lot of butter on my baked potato. A lot. I like butter with my, I like potato with my butter. A lot, a lot, a lot. And I put butter on half of it, and then butter on the other half. All right, and I've got to get my broccoli out of the Ninja Foodi, so y'all hold on a minute. All right, let me show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's like, it does shrink a lot. But I put my butter on here, and then I get my broccoli. I put broccoli on one side, and I put broccoli on the other side. And of course I'm going to, well, I didn't even bring y'all back. I put broccoli on one side of the potato, and then I'm going to use half of this broccoli. All right, and then I'm going to put salt and pepper on it. Because remember that butter is still melting. I love a lot of pepper on my baked potato. All right, and then I've got sharp cheddar cheese. And I forgot to open the bag. I hope I can get it open. Well, y'all, Brittany opened this bag the last time, and she cut off the top of it. All right, I'm going to put a handful of sharp cheddar cheese on here. All right, you can hit it, knock cheese off. All right, and then I've got Daisy sour cream. And I always try to put sour cream on one side of the potato and then sour cream on the other side of the potato. Oh, this is going to be so good. All right, so I'm going to take a picture of this and I will bring you right back. Okay. So let's take a bite of this and see what it tastes like. Oh, it's really hot. Like I said, I love cheddar. I love chili beans on my baked potato, but I just didn't feel like cooking it today. So, oh my word, y'all, this is amazing. And this broccoli is so good when it's steamed. All right, now I want to taste the skin and see what it tastes like. So you can see the skin. That is just like a baked potato at a steakhouse. And you can do this at your house and make it in your air fryer and your Instant Pot or your Ninja Foodi, whichever one you have. You can do that. Steam your broccoli and bake your baked potato. Or air fry your baked potato. Oh, y'all. Alright. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also there's different things below that links to different things that you can purchase from different companies. Most of them are from Amazon, but these are things that I use in my kitchen. And so I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Living life like a high life. Everything is yours, top notch.